Just hang on a minute, I'll get with you. Just, you don't wake a man up in the morning and not give him a cup of coffee and a beanie, okay? Just chill out a minute. All right, let's go. Hey guys, I'm Chance Williams. Guess what? Welcome to Chance Shop Talk. Today I got something pretty exciting for you guys, especially repair shops. I think it's going to be a nice add-on to these Super Duties. This is a 2013 Ford F550. Now, I'm not telling y'all something y'all don't already know, but I'm fixing to show you something y'all already know. You ever been riding down the road with a massive load on the truck or no load, and all of a sudden you nail into it and poof, reduce power mode and you're pulling over to the side of the road? What is that? Intercooler pipe, front throttle body to intercooler. So there ain't one out there that ain't had one. Well, my truck ain't had one yet. I own two Super Duties. I have an 08 and I have a 17. One's a 6.4 and one's a 6.7. This is what's killing the heck out of these things right here, guys. Emissions. This really needs a CCV delete, but it's a company truck and there ain't jack crap I can do about it. I wish I could. But this is the second one that has been installed on this since 2015. I also did one in 2017. I'm doing one now here, December of 2021. So we're like not even getting 7 years out of two of these. Well, somebody came up with a solution, and the reason I'm bringing it out there is because I'll show you. Dorman has come out with this part number right here. It's a 6.7 300. See the link below, see a description where you can actually purchase this. Purchase it for your own truck, purchase it for your customers. This is a pretty neat little booger right here. It's got a solid steel construction. It's actually got a nice silicone hose, really good clamps on here that are actually gonna hold, instead of this BS crap right here with just a ring around it and no clamping power whatsoever. Like it's never gonna work. If you know what I'm talking about, that's the ring that holds them two pieces together, which is, I don't know. They're so concerned about weight on these trucks. Yeah, right. Anyway, on the other end of it, we got another good solid steel piece of pipe here, and then we got, look at here, two more good size clamps and a good silicone hose. Now this one in the middle right here is wrapped with looks like some kind of spring, which is pretty nice. Probably will last a lot longer than this one particular piece right here. But then again, you know, when you start dealing with emission stuff, I'd hate to be an automotive manufacturer and them tell me what I have to meet on my emission standards every year, because it seems like it keeps going lower and lower and lower and lower. Pretty soon they're going to try to take all your trucks away from you. They're going to put everybody in electric cars. That's killing the world, as far as I'm concerned. That's leaving the biggest carbon footprint is the batteries they're making. Hey, that's just me speaking. But anyway, I thought I would bring this up and bring this to you guys that want to purchase these. You can purchase them with the link I've got below. You can also join my Facebook group with the link below. Answer a few questions if you're an automotive service technician. I'm teaching classes every Friday most of the time. New and different things, some things that people already know, just refresher courses. I'm also teaching people digital real estate and how to build it. That is the fastest trend right now in going. Save your $1,000 on your Bitcoins and all that other stuff. I don't think that stuff's gonna work out as well as people thinking, and they're making a hype out of it. But I do know the best investment you can do is for yourself. So if you're an automotive service technician, you've been doing it as long as I had, and you can't seem to understand or how you're going to make it through the rest of your life by crawling up underneath these things right here, make a change. Do a 360. I did a 360 and I'm enjoying the heck out of it. Affiliate marketing, building digital real estate is really cool. But anyway, check the link out below. If you're an automotive service technician, you can join our group. Our group's growing really big and I love it. We're doing really well with a lot of honest, good, loving automotive technicians in there, master technicians in there, transmission technicians in there, machinists. We're all working together to try to help people along the way, especially in repair shops. Now the reason I brought this up and really wanted to do a video on this, other than giving you the information that I just gave you, is this piece right here. You can purchase at AutoZone, Advanced Auto Parts and Batteries, anywhere they sell Dorman parts, I assume. But And I know you're saying, well, I can just go get that from Sinister Diesel or Stage 3 Motorsports. I understand that. But what I'm trying to say is the quickest way to do that is to deal with your local parts store, or if you want to grab a link and you like shopping through shopping online, you can hit the link below, go there and pick it up too, or for your own personal truck. The reason for that is you do not want to be buying something from Sinister Diesel or anywhere else for a customer unless they're just really patient and then it blow up on them again. And then, or even if this thing fails, I'm not going online and buy it. I would if it was just my personal truck, or if I had a customer that I knew was just no problems. I would purchase this wherever I can get my hands on it because it's a really nice piece and you can get it returned quicker and get the part replaced quicker dealing with your local parts stores. And they do carry these. And like I said, the part number is a 667-300. The link in the description is below. Y'all hear that? Foosh. That sounds awesome. Well, I'm gonna get this thing installed on this truck so these folks can get their truck back to them today, put a load on it, and go build a house somewhere. And until then, I'm gonna keep building digital real estate, bringing good, hopeful information to you guys, and let you know that I'm always here for you. There's nobody out there like me that is working to help automotive service technicians be better at what they do. Until then, hey, take care.